Hey guys, so I just received zero point 0.5 Ethereum, close to 0.5 Ethereum, which is 1.6 lakh rupees today. How did I get that? That is exactly what I'm going to show you right in this video.
This gasdao.org opened up. It says introducing Gas, help shape the future of Web3. The governance token for the GasDAO, a super DAO formed with the vision of being the heartbeat and voice of the largest community of Web3 native users on the Ethereum network, bridging the worlds of DeFi, NFTs, and dApps. Let's see what happens. How many tokens do I get, or even if I'm qualified or not. I'll click on connect wallet. Let's click on MetaMask. I'm gonna connect this wallet, and it says claim tokens, so I guess I am eligible or something. Let's click on that. Okay, so it says from this particular account I have till now spent 6 Ethereum as the gas spent, and in USD it's close to 21,000. So this is in real time, and we can verify that on Etherscan as well. So this is my account over here on Etherscan. Let me refresh so that you can see that. If we go to analytics, we click on transaction fees. You can see it's exactly 6.21 something, which is being shown over here. 6.21. It is showing 6.21 total fees used as recipient. I guess 6.21 minus this would be equal to 6.1453. So number of transactions is 670. So are we able to see anything like that over here? Number of transactions, I guess in the transactions I would be able to see, if possible. The number of transactions is not seen, I guess, over here, but that's okay. It's showing over here 670. Claim your tokens. I'm eligible to get these many tokens. It says claim tokens. You'll receive these tokens for being an early participant in the Ethereum community. Use this power wisely. So let's click on this. And we'll have to pay a little bit of gas fee. Now the gas is 0.03 right now, which is quite high right now. So right now what I'll do is I would reject this, but I would just check this particular token on CoinGecko, that what is the current price for this. If I see that the price is good enough, then I might just invest my money, because if I'm getting more, I have no issues in paying a little bit more gas fee. So let's see. Let's search for GasDAO. Do we have any token like that? GasDAO. Yep, GasDAO is ranking 458 right now, and currently its price is 0.03. Say if we calculate this in rupees, 0.03, this is in Indian currency right now, and if we, so let's suppose this much multiplied by 0.03, let's say how much it is. So I would be getting 73,000 rupees right now. Okay, close to 73,000 rupees right now, which would be equivalent to 0.3 or 4 Ethereum, I guess. Let's say how much ETH it would be. So ETH to INR, so it would be close to 0.3 Ethereum it would be. That is what I'm speculating. But now that's the point. Like, I don't want to claim it right now. I would end up spending 0.03 in just transaction fee. So maybe I'll do this later on. But on top of this, I also have another account, so I'll log into that. Okay, so I'm now logged into another account as well. I'll click on claim tokens, and from that account as well, I have spent somewhere around 7 Ethereum. So I'm eligible to claim this much. Okay, so if I click on claim tokens, let's see how much is the gas fee right now. If it is less, I might just end up doing, no, it's still higher. So check this out, like 2, and over here as well, I might just end up getting somewhere around 85,000 rupees. So if I am calculating, then 80 plus 70 is 1,50,000. So 1,60,000 to claim 1,60,000, which is approximately 0.5 Ethereum or something. So let's say INR to ETH, 1 lakh, let's say 60,000 is 0.56 Ethereum. So let's say 0.5 Ethereum, but I might just end up paying 20,000 in fees, so which is 0.07. So I would just get 0.43 Ethereum, close to 0.43 Ethereum. Now I would wait. Okay, I would wait for that gas fee to go down to, let's say, 0.015 or 0.02. So I might just save 10,000 rupees at least, and I might just get more over here. So let's say 10,000 rupees and 0.03. So instead of me getting 0.43 or 44, I would just get 0.47 or 0.48 Ethereum, close to that. So that's how I'll calculate. So just wanted to show you how I think when I'm claiming the tokens. And yeah, hope this was valuable.
Hey, I hope that was valuable enough. Do let me know how much tokens did you get and what do you think about this. Do you have any questions? Drop in the comments. I'm just looking, listening, reading all your comments. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any these kind of videos. I'll see you in the next one.